Buy it! Number 5 is official Creality Ender 3 upgraded 3D printer. If you're an avid baker, you know the right tools can make all the difference. And when it comes to making cookie cutters, an official Creality Ender 3 V2 upgraded 3D printer can be a game changer. One of the most remarkable features of this printer is its self-developed silent motherboard, which ensures that it operates quietly and smoothly. No more noisy distractions while you're baking up a storm. The UL-certified branded power supply, hidden within the machine, also adds a layer of safety and reliability. Loading and feeding filament is a breeze with the rotary knob on the extruder. The brand new Operation UI system and 4.3-inch bright color screen provide a seamless and intuitive user experience. The printer's resume printing function means you won't have to start from scratch if there's a power outage or other unexpected interruption. But what sets this printer apart is its Carborundum Glass Platform, which heats up quickly and allows your prints to adhere better without warping. This translates into ultra-smooth, professional-looking cookie cutters that impress even the most discerning bakers. So if you buy the upgraded 3D printer, check the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for cookie cutters. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please recognize to hit the like button and subscribe to our sublimation focused channel for more amazing upcoming videos.